So here's a more advanced Python example. We're using PyAudio to have a live plot of a microphone signal. So we're importing our libraries. So we're using PyAudio, we're using NumPy and Matplotlib animation to have a live plot. We define some parameters like the block size. It's mono, so it's a one channel, the sampling rate. Here we are configuring our PyAudio object and configuring a stream. At this point, we're creating a plot figure. We're defining an initialization function and an animation function that will read data from an audio stream and then update the data in the plot. There's a handle for the close event. So when we close our figure, it will stop the stream, close the stream, terminate our PyAudio. And here is the animation itself. So we call the figure we created, the animate function we created, the initialization function. And here we have a live plot of the microphones. We have our microphone signal displayed here. And when we close, we're calling this close event and we're terminating.